I know on many occasions I'm asked by prospective cattle drivers how good a rider they have to be, and I guess I answer it this way. Cattle, for the most part, walk. Horses run. So cattle drive isn't 60-minute, 60-mile-an-hour adventure. There's many periods of time where you're just moving slowly on horseback, and you don't have to be real experienced. What you do have to have is the want to. If you want to be in the saddle 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours a day under the Montana big sky, or 10,000 different stars at night in your sleeping bag in a tent, then the cattle drive's where you want to be.